Acrylic pouring is a mesmerizing art form where liquid acrylic paint flows freely onto a canvas. The result? Stunning abstract art with dynamic colors and movement. It's all about letting go and letting the paint create magic. What makes acrylic pouring so captivating is its unpredictability. Each pour is unique. No two pieces are ever the same. With just a few basic supplies and a touch of creativity, you can create eye-catching, one-of-a-kind art. No experience? No problem. Acrylic pouring is perfect for beginners and pros alike. Using everyday tools like plastic cups or strainers, you can craft mesmerizing designs. It's quick, fun, and the results will leave you amazed. It's simple. Mix your acrylic paint with a pouring medium, then let it flow. Watch as the colors blend and create stunning, organic patterns. That's the beauty of acrylic pouring. Every drop leads to a unique masterpiece. Try the dirty pour, where colors are mixed and poured in one go, or the dramatic flip cup, where you flip the paint onto the canvas for a surprise reveal. Each method delivers exciting, unpredictable results. For home decor, accessories, and clothing featuring original artwork, visit Nikki Art of Love's official site. Don't forget to check out our Etsy shop for more unique pieces. Like, share, and subscribe to stay inspired.